Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to sell wood in Farming Simulator 25. So first you'll need the right equipment. Make sure you have a chainsaw and a log trailer or a forestry vehicle, right, for transporting wood, and you can buy these in the in-game shop. Next you want to head to a wooded area on your map, and you want to use a chainsaw to basically cut down the trees. You want to angle the chainsaw and carefully slice through the base of the tree. And after the tree falls, you want to trim the branches and cut the trunk into smaller pieces for easier handling. Okay, and once you've got your logs ready, you want to go ahead and load them into your trailer or vehicle. And if you're using a forestry vehicle, you might have a built-in crane to help you with loading. And then it's time to sell. Open up your map and look for a designated sawmill or wood selling point, and you want to go ahead and drive your trailer right to that location. Once you arrive, you want to position your vehicle into the unloading zone, and depending on the type of vehicle, you may need to manually unload the logs or simply press the unload button. And finally, you'll see the profits rolling in as the wood is sold. And that is how, guys, you sell wood in Farming Simulator 25. So I hope this guide helped. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.